Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how you can hide all worksheet tabs in Microsoft Excel. Not the only single tab, but all the sheet tabs. For example, here I have multiple sheet tabs in the in down below in this bar, like bar chart, date, function, t-test. If I want to hide this one tab, then what I have to do, I have to right click and then hide. But what if I want to hide but what if I want to hide all these tabs at once? For that purpose, you have to go to the file option, then more, then click on options. Here we have multiple Excel options and you have to go to advanced. And in the advanced option, if I scroll down, here there are multiple options, and which option I have to select is there are two options. One is display option for this workbook and display option for this worksheet. So keep this in mind. Our target is to display the display options for this workbook. The name of this workbook is index match. So here there are multiple options. Here is the option of show sheet tabs. If I uncheck this show sheet tab option, all the sheet tabs of this worksheet will disappear, or you can say hide. So I have unchecked this option and then I will press OK. And you can see there is no sheet tab in this bar. Now if you want to unhide them again you have to go to file, then more, click on more, then click on options. Then you have to go to advanced options. And if I scroll down here, what I have to check is this option of show sheet tabs. I will click it and then I will press OK. And now you can see that all the sheet tabs are restored, or you can say are now unhide. So this is how you can hide or unhide all the worksheet tabs in Microsoft Excel. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.